Ernie here with Your Home Solar. You know, we work very hard to make sure that our customers are educated in their solar investment. As part of that goal, we've decided to create a series of videos just really focusing on commonly asked questions that we hear. All right, guys, so for our next question, this one is, and we see this one quite a bit, and it's what is the required maintenance for a solar system? A lot of generators and other, your AC systems at your home and stuff like that, they require quite a bit of maintenance. You got to change filters, you got to change oil, you got to change all this stuff. With a solar system, honestly, there's very little. The great thing about a solar system is it has no moving parts. So there's nothing that has to be lubricated. There's nothing that has to have the oil changed on it. There's no filters that need to be changed. None of that stuff exists because, like I said, no moving parts. A solar system, if it's properly installed, should be a very low maintenance item. Now, some things that go into that is, like I said earlier, and I think this is the third time I've said it now, quality products, well installed, makes all the difference on your maintenance on your solar system. Really, the only thing that's required or recommended is a yearly or bi-yearly, annual, biannual, however you want to say it, cleaning of the solar panels. And that's just because, usually throughout the year, if some dust builds up, the rain's going to wash it off, things of that nature. But just like anything else that's outside, whether you're talking about your car or whatever, over time, grime can just build up on those panels. One of the things that we offer with our service program, we are a full service solar company. You got to be careful with solar companies because some of them, not all companies are created equally. You've got some of them that are just sales organizations and they don't have their own installers. With us, we are front to back from the time that you sign the contract to the very end user service. We do it all. With our company. And with that, one of the things that we recommend is just that panel cleaning. And it's really cost effective. It's not something that's overly expensive, and it's only recommended or required 6 months to a year. Those places that get a lot, around trees and things of that nature, and you get a lot of debris maybe every 6 months. If you're pretty much wide out in the open and you don't get a lot of debris on it, you're probably going to be good going with once a year. The only other thing that's recommended is just, during one of those panel cleanings, at least annually, do just a check over of all of your connections. Just make sure there's no corrosion or anything building up anywhere. Nothing's kind of working its way loose for any reason. It's just a good recommendation. It's honestly not even required, but it's just something we recommend just to make sure that everything stays functional. But as I said, as long as everything is quality products and it's well installed, a solar system should be very, very, very low maintenance. Hope this helps. Thanks for taking the time to tune in. We hope this video has helped you in better understanding your solar investment. And as always, we here at Your Home Solar wish you many sunny days.